Engine 3.5 LV6 with increased power to 285 horsepower. Transmission, a 10-speed replaces the previous 9-speed. Off-road capability, improved IVTM for system, increased ground clearance, and a suspension tuned for off-roading. Technology: larger infotainment screen, standard features like heated seats, and options like picnic tables. Size: longer wheelbase and wider track. Additional features: up to 5,000 pounds of towing capacity on old trims. Honda sensing system, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration. 3-zone automatic climate control, 19-inch alloy wheels. Numerous off-road and utility accessory options.